What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. It's your girl, Special Nicole, and I provide you with videos on all things beauty, micro locks related, and love, featuring my fiance in our Love Inscribed series. If you don't know I'm a fiance by now, make sure you catch up. So visit our Love Inscribed channel, visit our Instagram pages, visit his YouTube channel so you can get all the tea, because you are behind, sis, behind. So catch up quick. But anywho, today I am doing an unboxing video that I am, I guess, partnering with this brand called Dome P.E.A.C.E. So let's get into this box. So first, before I go unboxing stuff, let me tell you about the brand. So Dome P.E.A.C.E. is, I'm on her website. They're basically a brand who creates different hair pieces for all women's of all texture hair. So here it says, why Dome P.E.A.C.E.? To us, the natural hair journey is similar to the journey of peace. That's cool. Dome P.E.A.C.E. Okay. And then it's basically talking about the different products they're make. They're all handmade, and I have a box of goodies, which were also all handmade. It's proudly Black, woman owned and operated. And let's see. So the different types of items they have headbands, turbans, for all crown sizes. So on the website they have crown sizes listed as TWA, new growth, which is kind of like you know, it's not TWA, but it's not super long yet. And then hang time and locked in. So hang time, of course, is longer, and then locks, of course, is more. Also provide products for men as well. I know they do have like silk do-rags that look really great, and they're all, the colors are popping. I love the colors. They're all like earth tone and just look good on melanin skin. Also, she provides different styling videos, so I'm gonna link her Instagram page and the website below so y'all can check all of that out. But yeah, y'all here for my box, so let's get into my box. So I am going to open. Oh, this is cute. So literally, this is my first time opening it. I've been wanting to open it for a minute. I've had it probably like 2 or 3 weeks, but I didn't want to open it until I knew I had time to record it for y'all so I can do an actual unboxing video so y'all can see all the real tea. So this little bag is so cute. And what I have is like, I don't remember what my box is called, but basically you can do this where you get multiple products in a box versus just one. So open this little sack. So I have this box here. Ooh. So I have this. Look at this color, y'all. Do y'all see that? Oh, and she goes with the, hold on, let me get the ring right. Oh, she goes with the ring. Look at this color, is everything. I believe this is a turban. Yes. And it's supposed to be the easy. Like, it's kind of like an infinity scarf, so it's supposed to be easy for you to put it on. But do you see that? Look, this is all, y'all. That looks so good. Looks so good. All right. Also have headbands. Oh, look at this color. Oh, and it's like, okay, it twists. So it's like wire in the ends of the headband, and you can like tie it to secure it to your head. This goes with my outfit. She might go on me today. This is so cute. And I'm pretty sure you can probably like tie it to your front. We're gonna play with this in a second. But this is satin or silk material. I don't know the difference. Look at that. That's cute. This is perfect for days when you don't, especially if you're like me and you're still in baby lock stage and journeying and you don't feel like styling your hair and you want to be cute without doing any work. Oh, and then this when it's almost time for that retie, these be perfect. So I have this goodie. I don't know what these are. It's a little bag. Let's see. Oh, these are masks. This is too cute. And this is the logo here. That's the logo. This is too cute. And this is what goes behind your ear. Oh, and I just said I need to go get me some more masks. Too cute. This is cute. It matches the turban. And then I have a gold one. Oh, it's got green or ear holders. Gold one that matches my... You can't tell me I'm not about to be cute today. And the sun just popped out. Girl, who? Then I also have this print as well. Oh, I think this might be... Oh, that's cute. It has a different little detail on the end. And again, these are all handmade. That's cute. What else? There's more stuff in here, y'all. All right, so now I have scrunchies. I could definitely use these for work, and they're black, which is perfect because I definitely need those for work. It's also, you can see this is the same silk satin pattern. All right, so I have these cards, which is cute. This says, oh, it's got my name, special, a crown like yours deserves special attention. That is too cute. And then this is the back of the card. And it just, thank you for supporting this Black woman-owned business proactively. Oh, this is what peace means, because, you know, I said the name was Dome P.E.A.C.E. So peace is proactively encouraging a constant evolution. Too cute. And then this is her contact information and everything. Like I said, I'm gonna link her info down below with the website and her Instagram page, so you can check that out. Now I forgot I had this little box here. Oh, and then this is inside of here. What is this? Oh, little clips. What? That's too cute. So I have 2 fist hair clips. Too cute. Too cute. So I think those are all my goodies that I have in this bag, which is convenient to hold them all because I have a lot of things. So let's see how I want to do my hair today. All right, so let's try. Or do I want to do the clip? Let's see what clip. So I'm gonna just do this real quick. Twist it to the side. Gotta make sure my fist up. What? That's too cute. Too cute. That is cute. They have all different types of clips as well, beyond the fist. That's cute. So let's do the headband, but with just a part of my hair. So this just wraps the wire in the back. Ouch. And you can just tuck it. However, my hair is not that long though, but I'm gonna take this section out. And I was hoping I could do. The headbands are wide, so for my little crown size, I need some more hang time. But, because if my hair was longer, I could pull it up. Yeah, I need more hang time for this. Let me play with it. I'll be back. Okay. Now we're cooking with grease. So, I really think this is cute. And what I noticed, you can have the headband as skinny because the wire is just right here. So you can have the headband as skinny or as wide as you would like it. So I chose the more narrow width just because of how I was trying to wear my hair today. Let's pull us a little piece out on the side. This is cute. So even if you wanted to do like a ponytail instead, you could do that. But yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna wear today, and my mask, although I don't want to get makeup all over it. But that is too cute. So yeah, I really like these products, so we're gonna try to do this turban next. But headband is a wired headband, and I believe you can get it either in the velvet material or the satin silk material. But yeah, I think this is cute. And then just fluff your hair around. What? This is so cute. So yeah, this is an option for you. Let me try to figure out how to do this turban for y'all, and I'll be back. I can hardly tie a turban myself, but this looks super easy. So you see this opening here. I believe and it has a tag in it as well. So that should be the back. That's so cute. Okay, I might be able to do this. What? I'm gonna twist it, but I don't know what to do with it next. Y'all, I'm the most illiterate. Oh, this is very easy. She told me it would be easy. I just gotta figure out how to get my little knot right. Y'all, I can't get it. I mean, this is cute. I gotta fix this knot. But you basically put the opening over your hair. I might wear this today once I get it right. But I just wanted to demonstrate how easy that was. And then you just twist it and tie your knot. This is perfect. That's cute. Yep, that's cute. What y'all think? Lift my little bang. What? I feel exotic today. Let me get this turban right. I thought I was wearing the headband. We might be in the turban today. We gonna see. But yeah, that is literally all I wanted to do, is show y'all these bomb items, these bomb masks, because we in these things. This one goes with, I'm gonna be cute today. And I also have this print with my handmade scrunchies, and you can't forget these cute clips. Yes. But yeah, that is all I have for y'all today. I just wanted to show y'all and tell y'all all about Dome P.E.A.C.E. So I'm gonna link all of her stuff down below. Make sure you follow her and check her out on Instagram and visit her shop to get you some of these items. Like, perfect to if you want to put your hair up, especially if you are getting like me and get bored sometimes with your micro locks, and or you just don't want to style them. Perfect. Run into the store, but still cute turban, and this quality and this color, girl, what? So yeah, so just drop any questions down you have in the comments below. Let me know how much you like these items, if you like them. I know you do though. Y'all like it. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.